Can it really be possible for normal guys to build head-turning muscle, diminish stubborn fat, and ramp up their sexual performance just from running 60 minutes per week? The answer is yes. Breakthrough research has confirmed a 530% increase in growth hormone following this brand new running trick. If you're a man who wants to remain a king in the bedroom, who wants more testosterone and more vigor between the sheets while sporting a ripped, vascular body in only 16 minutes per week, click the link in the description. I just hate for you to fall into the same trap that millions of men fall into on a yearly basis. Again, this testosterone pumping trick is simple to use and takes 16 minutes per week. It dates back over 10,000 years. Until now, guys have settled for ordinary cardio workouts like your standard jog outside or on the treadmill, all without knowing how bad they are derailing their masculine hormones and damaging their physiques. Some men who resort to this boring form of getting in shape have reported looking puffy and weak with little muscle around their arms and chest, plus a layer of fat covering their midsection and lower back. It's a body which screams, "I'm average," and even "I'm lazy," yet one that can be fixed. All you have to do is follow the simple instructions in each workout and let your body do the rest. This guide will teach you how to use the same anabolic running protocol on any piece of cardio equipment at the gym or right in your own living room using only your body weight, which means you can experience the power of anabolic running anytime and anywhere. Boost testosterone, increase libido, build muscle, and feel more confident. You can have access to a simple, revolutionary program designed to maximize your anabolic hormones while your body morphs into an in-shape, ripped, muscular physique without lifting heavy weights. Plus, you'll notice a nice boost in sex drive, testosterone levels, and all-day energy. Just imagine in a few weeks from now when you look in the mirror only to notice that the muscles in your chest, arms, and legs popping out, the fat surrounding your belly starts to deflate, and the chunkiness around your lower back gets tighter each day. You'll finally have the boldness to go shirtless at pool parties, proudly displaying your athletic and ripped frame. And it all begins today. Don't settle for less any longer. This program is strongly recommended to guys 30 to 60 years old, or guys who are looking to build muscle and burn fat without spending hours running each week or lifting weights at the gym. This program fights the natural testosterone dip, releasing strong amounts of testosterone, growth hormone, and nitric oxide for increased muscle growth, fat loss, and enlarged sex drive. After you purchase, you'll get instant access to the entire program. You can download it to your computer and start increasing your testosterone right away. Go check it out. It may change your life. Thanks for watching today's Bye Bye Weight Online video. Have a nice day.